Prompting. The most important thing in AI world right now is prompting. Prompting is not essential, it's imperative. It's the most important thing right now. If you don't learn Python, if you don't learn JavaScript, everything is fine. But if you don't know prompting, you are going to lag behind in AI space. So we're going to learn about the way people use prompting and the way they should use prompting. We have a separate course only on prompt engineering and become a prompt engineer master. However, I'll cover it in a little bit of basics over here so that you can get started with agentic AI. Prompt structure, we are going to do context setting. Context setting is nothing but giving it a context on what you want to generate. For example, if I say, hey, give me an action plan for creating an AI agent, but it will not know what kind. But if you give it a context that I want to answer Q&A for the course that I'm creating, which is a mini course, that is the context that I gave, and then the agent will be doing a much better job answering those questions once I set some context. So task definition is clearly telling AI agent what do you want to do, what is the end goal that we are trying to achieve. So in our case is like Q&A. Well, for the lab, we're going to do an email classifier. So we're exactly going to tell it how to classify emails, how to make sure that high priority emails are high priority and things like that. So the output format will go into the details on that as well. A lot of times we want to get output in a certain format, most probably a JSON. JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. It's just key value pairs, very simple. I'll show it to you guys. And once we get the values or outputs in JSON format, it becomes very easy to use them in the nodes down the lane. So, and after that, I'll give you some examples of good and bad prompts. There will be some prompt engineering best practices. So some do's: we're going to use very specific and very clear language. We're going to provide concrete examples of what we want the agent to do. Define output precisely using structured output format so that it does not hallucinate or it doesn't give different types of outputs every time. We're going to test the edge cases, and we're going to put a proper context to it. Don'ts, we are never going to be vague or ambitious, just ambiguous, like just do something without giving it proper instructions. We are not going to make the agent do more than one specific task, because if you give too many tasks to the agent, it is going to hallucinate. We are not going to mix contexts. We are not going to mix too many backgrounds. We are not going to give it unrelevant information. We'll make it very simple for you to see what is the best practices and what are the common pitfalls to avoid. So one of the pro tips: always test the prompts with various input types. That's good for productions. And there is also something else, evaluations, which is an advanced concept, but we'll see if we can cover it in this course.